Tiffany here, and we are back with an all new video. Today we're heading over to Walmart and we're gonna check out all of their new items that they have. I know they're gonna have a ton of fall items, plus I want to see if they have any of their Christmas products out. You know how stores like to get ahead of the game. So if you're ready, let's go. These are a glass kind of whimsical pumpkins. These were very cute in size. They were small. Now they only had a few of the orange left, but they did have a lot of this greens. These were $3.98. This cream and light green floral decor was so pretty, and I think it would be great like if you had a windowsill, it would be great to put it on. It was a little bit in smaller size. This was at $6.84. This wreath with wooden beads was on the smaller side. I would say it was like a medium size. This was going for $14.97. I really like the natural textures, and it was giving me a nice earthy feel. This autumn vibes decor was really nice. I like the light wood that it had. It had, again, that kind of sage green. This was at $4.88. This cream and gold accented pumpkin. This was the last one that they had, so this seems to be a really popular item here at Walmart. This was going for $6.98. It has that natural organic theme again, and I can see why they only had one left. Y'all, these cream ceramic pumpkins were so cute. They were a pre-lit ceramic pumpkin, so all you had to do is turn it on from the bottom. They were only $6.98. I'm surprised they had a whole bunch of these. This pumpkin wicker tray decor was really nice. I love the natural elements in it. I think this tray would be good for catching keys and even mail. This was at $5.54. We have another little fall decor sign that actually says fall. It has these natural leaves in it. It says fall, and it's giving me a very organic feeling. This was at $9.97. Now, this wall decor would be great on an area that is very long and thin. This was $6.44. It had these pumpkins on it, and it was orange. It had the natural wood. This would be great to hang on a wall. Walmart is really bringing in some beautiful decor pieces. This is $19.98, and it's like a wooden lantern. It has an LED candlelight with some beautiful fall leaves. This would be great on your tablescape, either inside or outside. They had a variety of these foam flocked pumpkins. They had them in a cream, and they also had them in an orange. These are beautiful. They're soft. They have lots of texture, so they'd be great to as an addition to your decor. These were $2.98. These little gnomes were $5.98. They had a nice soft hat to them, kind of in a fleece feel. The bottoms were heavy, so these would be great on a little shelf. These were $6.98. Walmart only had a few wreaths to choose from. This one was $24.97, and I want to say it was about 24 inches. I can't really remember. It has those cream pumpkins. It has the acorns. It's got the little pine cones and the leaves in it. These foam pumpkins are one of the most affordable little pumpkins that you can buy. They come in this beautiful orange. They have a green pumpkin. These are only 98 cents, and you do have quite a variety to choose from. So if you're looking just to put these on a mantle or in your windowsill or even on your tablescape, this is definitely a great option. If you're looking for a new word art, give thanks with grateful heart. This little decor was only $4.47. They also have this Let's Get Cozy for $4.97. These were larger foam pumpkins. Now, these were probably about 8 inches long. They did give me that whimsical pumpkin feel. They had them in a yellow, a light green, and a cream. These were $6.98. These gnomes right here were of larger size. They also had a sweater hat on them. These were $9.97. They both had these nice fuzzy little beard. One had the cream hat. The other one had a burnt orange hat. I really thought that this pumpkin color was very unique. It had a gold top on it. Orange was just a very unique, kind of muted color. It was $9.97. Let me know what you would put in this little pumpkin. This was a Happy Harvest hanging decor basket. It was in like a rectangle, kind of square shape. It had tons of florals. It had the leaves, the pumpkins, and the pine cones. And look, you can just hang it like this. This would look wonderful on your door or on your back patio. This was $24.97. These fabric houses were so soft. They were so light. Some of them had a green roof. Some of them had like that burnt orange roof. And I even saw one that had a cream roof. You might want to be a little bit careful with these because some of them kind of started falling apart a little bit. These were $6.98. I really wanted this next pumpkin. I love the colors. This Harvest Pre-Lit Light was $9.97. I thought that was really a good price for it. I love this cream one. I think it would be great just displayed in your house. For those that like to decorate with a scarecrow, they had this standing scarecrow for $6.98. Now, if you haven't seen my Dollar Tree video, Dollar Tree has a lot of table decor. These are really nice too. They say hello fall. They had a felt outside and was made of the MDF. Now, these were $4.34, but at the Dollar Tree, I really feel like you're going to get your more bang for your buck. These were girl scarecrows and they could definitely sit on a little shelf. These were $9.97. Walmart also had their Harvest 13-inch straw bay hail. These were $4.98, so don't forget to pick one of these up for your porch. This fall foam pumpkin decor was so vibrant and just gorgeous. If you're looking for something that just pops, this is definitely going to be the decor for you. This was $5.98. This fall cross blessings hanging decor had sunflowers, pine cones. It was kind of thin. It also had some acorns up at the top. This was $9.97. Walmart did have a few garlands. I really liked this one. It was very unique. It was 6 feet long. Now the quality really wasn't there. I would say that this quality was kind of on the Dollar Tree. This one was $2.78. I thought this metal pumpkin was a little bit pricey. It was $14.97. It had lots of different flowers and textures in it, but I just thought it was a little bit overpriced at $14.87. This lantern was $17.97, and I think it was such a better deal than that other wired metal pumpkin. It had pumpkins and acorns and all the fall flowers. It was pretty tall too, so this would be just beautiful on your tablescape, maybe on an entry table or even on your patio. This was another garland that I found, and it was a little bit better than the previous garland. It was $2.98. It still was kind of thin, so if you're looking for some full garland, I do suggest going over to Hobby Lobby. Walmart also had these foam little pumpkins, and they came in a variety pack. These were a 5-pack, and they were $5.54. Walmart also had these larger foam pumpkins. Now, these had a very nice stacked look with some leaves. They were pretty good size. I would say at about 10 inches tall. These were $16.88. I found another pack of smaller pumpkins. These were smaller than the previous bunch of pumpkins, and these were $3.28. This fall sign had some orange and yellow pumpkins. It had some bead accents and some fringe accents. The fall on it was raised. This was $6.98. I really loved this wreath. It was so full. It was beautiful. This was $24.97. It had pumpkins, pine cones, lots of fall details in it. This would look great on your back porch or even on your front door. This fall milk jug had all of the fall vibe. It had the orange and the cream. It had those fall, the copper golden leaves to it. It had some cream pumpkins. It was so pretty. This was $9.97. I think this would look great on a front entry table. If I were to get this little owl, I think I would put this by the fireplace. It was just so nice and cozy. I like how it stood up on its own. This was $14.87. They did have a couple different varieties in them, but as you can see, I just pulled these two out, but they did have another variety there, as you can see in the back. Walmart also had a smaller version of these fabric little birds, so this would be great to put on a little shelf if you had it. They did have some varieties in these. These are definitely cozy, and I love the little fleece details that they have in it. This was a $4.98. I found these larger ceramic pumpkins. They came in an orange and they also came in a cream. Now this one was actually the last. So if this is something that you guys would like, be sure to head to your Walmart today. These were $5.98. These tabletop decors had a layered look with a little hanging fall leaf. These were made of MDF and had some twine on them. It looked like they only had one style in this, and these were $2.98 each. If you're in the market for a smaller wreath, this one would be perfect. It was $9.97. This wreath was not super full, but it still gave you the fall vibes with the fall leaves. It had some sunflowers and some acorns. Last year I did end up picking up one of these sweater cozy, almost like a pillow pumpkin. Mine was all one solid color, so I really appreciate the different colors that they have this year, the different stacked colored pumpkins. I thought it was so cute. I couldn't actually find the price on this one. I actually put mine by the fireplace. I stopped by the bakery to see if they had any of their fall goodies out, and of course they had these nice frosted cookies. I saw these pumpkin cookies, and these were sugar cookies with that frosted topping, and they looked so good. I also saw this like pumpkin swirl cake. Y'all, this was so hard not to take home. This was $5.84 and looked so delicious. I also saw these pumpkin spice strudel muffins. Those looked good as well. I could just imagine eating all this stuff with some coffee. Walmart didn't have a ton of fall shirts, but I did find a few. This one was really nice. It was long sleeved. It had the slits on the side there. It was a very lightweight material, so if you're like us and it's just not super cold during the fall season or during Thanksgiving, this would be a nice light t-shirt. I loved this Thankful Grateful Blessed shirt. The terracotta color was just beautiful, and again, this was that same light material. It had the slits on the side. It was $12.98. If you're looking for something a little bit heavier, this was of a sweatshirt material. One said autumn leaves and pumpkin, please. This was $12.98. I also like this cream colored sweatshirt with this simple like whimsical pumpkins in polka dotted and in that gingham. This one was really nice. It was $12.98. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't done so already, and if you'd like to see another video, click on the video link right here, and we'll see you guys on